Today, I'll show you how to create an email account with Google Workspace. This is the fast, reliable way to give team members professional business email addresses under your domain. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through every step so you can get a new account set up quickly and correctly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Workspace site. Make sure you're on the official pages so you have access to the full admin tools. Once the page loads, look for the admin console. That's the control center where all user and account settings live. Next, sign in with an administrator account. You need admin privileges to create new users, so make sure you're using the right business email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow that flow to complete the sign-in. After signing in, you'll be on the admin console home screen. Take a moment to locate the Google Apps menu. It's usually shown as a small grid icon in the top right area. Click that, then select the admin icon to open the main admin dashboard. On the admin homepage, find the section or button labeled Add a User or Users. This is where you create new accounts. Click Add a User and a simple form will appear. You'll be asked to enter the user's first name, last name, and the email address you want them to use. The domain part of the address will automatically match your organization's domain, so focus on the username portion. Be careful when typing the username. It's what people will use to email that account. If you're creating multiple accounts, keep a consistent naming convention like firstname.lastname or role.department so addresses are easy to read and manage. You'll also have options to set a temporary password or let Google generate one automatically. If you provide a password, make a note of it so you can share it securely with the new user. Many admins prefer to let Google create a random password and then force the new user to change it at first sign in for better security. There are additional settings you can set at this stage if you need them. You can choose whether the new account has admin privileges, assign them to organizational units that control access and policies, or add secondary contact details like a recovery email or phone number. These are optional but useful for larger teams or stricter security rules. When you've filled all required fields and adjusted any options, click the button to create or add the user. Google will process the request and show a confirmation screen with the new account details and temporary password if one was generated. Save this information securely and pass it to the user via a secure channel. After the account is created, encourage the new user to sign in to mail.google.com and complete any first-time setup steps Google asks for, like changing the temporary password and enabling two-step verification.